Streamline your customer's roof line by venting bathroom fans, kitchen fans, and clothes dryers with the Master Flow Bath and Dryer Rooftop Appliance Vent from GAF. It's the details that help set you apart from other roofers in your area. And with its sleek, modern aesthetic and 4 popular color choices, this model not only looks good, it meets codes that require a minimum of 12.5 square inches of net-free ventilation area for your rooftop bath, dryer, and appliance vents. Combining form and function into a premium solution your customers will love. This all-metal vent with stainless steel screen provides durability in harsh environments and even passes stringent 110 mile-per-hour wind-driven rain testing. Plus, it's warranted against manufacturing defects for up to 50 years or as long as the warranty of the adjacent roof cladding. Best of all, it's easy to install and includes a removable duct collar and reducer. Shingle up to the opening, and with the vent hood exhaust pointing toward the eave, insert the neck into the opening. The base flashing should sit on top of the course of shingles below the opening. Using only the pre-punched fastening slots, fasten the base flashing securely to the roof deck with corrosion-resistant roofing nails. Always ensure nails penetrate through plywood and OSB decks, or at least 3/4 of an inch into wood planks. Continue installing shingles around the vent, overlapping the base flashing on both the top and sides of the vent. Finish up by trimming the shingles to match the profile around the vent hood. Attach the vent to the duct by using the provided removable duct collar and align the tabs on the collar with the slots located on the vent's neck. This allows for simple detachment for easy cleaning. The Master Flow Bath and Dryer Rooftop Appliance Vent. Available now only from GAF.